Halloween is here this year, and today we're going to show you how to build this spooky lamppost. This lamppost does mostly come from pieces that we own, but some of the pieces do come from the spooky VIP add-on pack featured here in the back. If you haven't seen it, we've been doing Halloween builds all month long. Definitely check those out. Here are all the individual pieces included in this build. Here's the finished product. 3 of the pieces came from the spooky VIP add-on pack, while the rest came from our own collection as mentioned. So this can be used to dress up different sets. Here's something that we made and featured in another video. You can just take it, put it on, and then you have a spooky lamppost for whatever spooky scene that you have going on. Here's some of the graves that we featured in earlier videos, so you can add it in with graves like this. Or here's a spooky street scene we designed, featuring one of the alien figures that we did in another video, so you can take that and add it on like this and dress it up. And here's how that's built if you're curious. Hopefully everyone's having fun with these builds. Please be sure to like and subscribe. We appreciate all of our current subscribers. We'll see you in the next video.